Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to apply as a Bolt driver in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and download Bolt Driver app on your phone. Then go ahead and launch it. From here, you'll have two options, either sign in or register. Today, let's go ahead and choose register. On the next page, it'll ask for your email, phone number, and the city where you will drive. And then after that, just go ahead and agree to their terms and conditions. After that, go ahead and click register as a driver. After that, it'll ask for your personal information. Simply provide your first, last name, language, referral code if you have one, and then it'll ask for your vehicle's information as well, such as manufacturer, vehicle year, license plate, and vehicle color. Just provide all those and click next, and you should be good to go. And that's it. Now you know how to apply as a Bolt driver in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.